Have you ever wondered what digital marketing actually is? Not the complicated textbook definition, but what it really means for your business, your career, and your future. Today, I am going to break it all down for you in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what digital marketing is, why it matters, and how you can start using it right now. Welcome to the Digital Business Hub, where we break down digital marketing, social media strategy, tech law, and career development in a way that actually makes sense. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We post new videos every Monday and Friday, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Let us get into it. So what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of products, services, or brands through online channels, including search engines, social media, email, and websites. In simple terms, if it is online and it is selling, it is digital marketing. Think about the last time you scrolled through Instagram and saw an ad for something you actually wanted to buy. That is digital marketing. Think about the last time you searched something on Google and clicked on the first result. That is digital marketing. Think about the last time you got an email from your favorite brand with a discount code. That is digital marketing. It is everywhere. And once you understand how it works, you will never see the internet the same way again. Now let us talk about why digital marketing matters so much right now. 5.4 billion people use the internet every single day. $667 billion was spent on digital marketing globally in 2024 alone. And businesses that use digital marketing grow 2.8 times faster than those that do not. Let that sink in. 2.8 times faster. If you are a business owner not using digital marketing, you are leaving serious money on the table. And if you are someone looking to build a career, digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills in the world right now. Now here is where it gets really interesting. Digital marketing is not just one thing. It is made up of 7 key channels, and each one works differently. Let me walk you through all 7. Channel number 1, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. SEO is the process of getting your website to appear on Google without paying for ads. When someone types a question into Google, Google decides which websites to show first. SEO is how you make sure your website is one of them. For example, if you run a bakery in London and someone searches Best Bakery in London, good SEO means your website appears at the top of that search. The best part about SEO is that it is free. You do not pay Google to rank you. You just have to create content and structure your website in the right way. The downside is that SEO takes time. It can take 3 to 6 months to see real results. But once it works, it keeps working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. Channel number 2, content marketing. Content marketing is creating valuable content that attracts your target audience and builds trust over time. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, ebooks, or even this YouTube channel you are watching right now. Here is a real-world example. Let us say you are a fitness coach. Instead of just posting "Buy my program" every day, you create YouTube videos teaching people free workout tips. People watch your videos, trust your expertise, and eventually buy your program. That is content marketing. You give value first. The sales come second. The key rule of content marketing is simple: educate, entertain, or inspire. Do at least one of those 3 things in every piece of content you create and you will never run out of audience. Channel number 3, social media marketing. This is the one most people are familiar with. Social media marketing is using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube to build an audience and promote your business. But here's what most people get wrong. Social media marketing is not just about posting. It is about building a community. Think about brands like Gymshark. They did not start by running expensive ads. They sent free products to fitness influencers on Instagram, built a community of loyal followers, and grew into a billion-dollar brand. That is the power of social media marketing done right. Each platform works differently. Instagram is visual, LinkedIn is professional, TikTok is fast and entertaining, YouTube is long-form and educational. The key is to understand where your audience is and show up there consistently. Channel number 4, paid advertising, also called pay-per-click or PPC. This is where you pay platforms like Google or Meta to show your content to a specific audience. The advantage of paid ads over SEO is speed. SEO takes months. A paid ad can put your business in front of thousands of people today. Here's a simple real-world example. A clothing brand wants to reach women aged 18 to 35 in the UK who are interested in fashion. With paid ads, they can target exactly that audience. They only pay when someone clicks, and they can set a daily budget so they never overspend. The key to paid advertising is testing. You never get it perfect on the first try. You run 2 or 3 different versions of an ad, see which one performs best, and then invest more in the winner. Channel number 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the oldest forms of digital marketing, and it is still one of the most powerful. For every £1 spent on email marketing, the average return is £36. That is not a typo. £36 back for every £1 spent. Why does email work so well? Because your email list belongs to you. Your Instagram followers could disappear tomorrow if the platform shuts down, but your email list is yours forever. Here's how it works in real life. A business owner creates a free guide. For example, 10 tips to grow your Instagram in 30 days. People download the free guide by giving their email address. The business owner then sends helpful emails over time, building trust, and eventually promoting their paid products or services. That is the email marketing funnel, and it works in almost every industry. Channel number 6, analytics and data. This one is not a marketing channel in the traditional sense, but it is what separates good marketers from great ones. Analytics means tracking and measuring everything you do online. How many people visited your website? Where did they come from? How long did they stay? Which pages did they leave immediately? Which social media posts got the most engagement? Tools like Google Analytics, Meta Business Suite, and YouTube Studio give you all of this data for free. The businesses that grow the fastest are not always the ones with the biggest budgets. They are the ones that understand their data and make smarter decisions because of it. Remember the analytics slide from our last video? One post reaching 120,000 people, but only 189 followers. That is exactly the kind of insight that changes your strategy completely. Check your data. Understand your data. Let your data guide every decision you make. Channel number 7, influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is partnering with people who already have an audience to promote your product or service, and you do not need to work with celebrities. In fact, micro-influencers, people with between 1,000 and 100,000 followers, often get better results than mega-influencers because their audience trusts them more. Here is a real-world example. A skincare brand wants to reach Black women in the UK aged 25 to 40. Instead of spending thousands on a TV ad, they partner with 10 micro-influencers in that exact community. Each influencer creates honest content about the product. Their audience trusts them, and the brand gets real results at a fraction of the cost. Influencer marketing works because people trust people, not brands, not logos, people. So there you have it. The 7 channels of digital marketing: search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, analytics and data, and influencer marketing. Now the big question is, where do you start? Here is my honest advice. Do not try to do all 7 at once. Pick 1 or 2 channels that make the most sense for your business or your goals right now. If you are a complete beginner, start with content marketing and social media. They are free, they build long-term trust, and they teach you the fundamentals of digital marketing faster than anything else. If you have a budget and need results quickly, add paid advertising to your strategy. If you are building a business for the long term, invest in SEO and email marketing from day one. The most important thing is to start. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Digital marketing is not reserved for big companies with massive budgets. It is for anyone with something valuable to offer and the consistency to show up online. That includes you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of the 7 channels of digital marketing are you most interested in learning more about? Drop it in the comments below. Your answer might just become our next video topic. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It helps this channel reach more people who need this kind of content. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Friday. Share this video with someone who is just getting started in digital marketing, and I will see you in the next one.